all this stuff on everybody.
This carpet still feels a little damp.
Well, I didn't even see the person. Come on, Meatball. Oh, hold on.
Oh, Jesus.
Come on.
You got it.
No!
Oh.
You almost had
it. That's hard, though.
Yeah, the last one is hard, because the last one's like 50-50, and it's narrow. I got the same way.
I'm probably like 37.
29. 31.
I mean, your BMI is lower.
31 or 29.
Okay, 35.
31 or 29.
What? Come on.
Damn. 40?
What happened? You got 40.
He's 40 years old.
Put a mark on it.
Mark. Yeah.
Is it already the 6th? I think we're a day ahead in the Wii world.
Oh, yeah, because it's like 4 a.m. and we...
It's close enough.
What happened?
My Wii Fit age was 40 apparently,
I know,
even though I had a smaller
Meatball? Meatball?
145?
Yeah.
You're 145 pounds.
Alright, what's your goal, Meatball?
What's my goal? Oh, jeez.
2.5 pounds a week?
Well, he's like right on the edge.
Yeah, he's like...
close.
Yeah,
look at that. 1 pound and you're in the good.
Oh, mine's like
I got
14.
Like 5 pounds easy.
A week?
Yeah, 5 pounds.
5 pounds.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
Let's give it a good year.
In 2 weeks?
My deadline is...
Then you go months if you want.
Yeah. 2 months.
Bro, your 3 months is why... Or, your 1 month is my 3 months.
Yeah, we gotta do it.
Dirk, you played football. Different
So you
shit.
guys on the same
That
regimen?
was 5 years ago.
Okay.
Like
Maybe that's why your
85
Wii Fit age
down.
went
Okay,
up.
yeah, that's cool.
Every 2 weeks for the rest of you.
Alright, Meatball, you better pay attention to this.
You make a new goal every
I'll
week.
honestly follow this. Give it a try.
No,
No.
we already...
Yeah, we're all open here. It's all
It's a public account.
Everybody's already watching. It's not like anything's hidden.
Oh, it's Nick's turn.
Yeah, I still gotta make a
family
me.
member. No.
You
How
can
are the
just,
brownies?
They're pretty good.
don't do the middle
Just
ones.
say no.
The middle ones are raw.
Here.
Okay.
Here,
Go
Meatball.
to...
So we're doing years now?
I gotta make a me. Eric, do you want to get here too?
I think you go to the
Okay.
arrow.
Well, we gotta...
It's me!
Yeah, we don't... I'm gonna have to make a... Don't I have to make one on like the menu? Because that's where we made the...
No,
like
there's a plus. Left side. What's...
a new profile for somebody else, so you can't make a me on here, right?
No, you can't.
Or do you...
No, I have to like...
Oh,
yeah,
you gotta
have
go
to-
in
I gotta
the
make
me maker,
people.
yeah.
I just gotta make me and Eric. Because Dennis I already made, and then we made Mike and Lucas in case they ever come back.
You didn't make a Jose one, though.
I didn't?
I don't think so.
I don't know.
He's probably gonna come back.
Jose's good for it. They got views. Look at that.
Yo, chill.
Hey!
Meatball's face on the
Wait,
left.
wait. Make him interact with the girl over there. Oh. Oh.
Oh. Meatball, wait. She wants you. Wait, Dirk's swooping in.